Good morning, Jamaican insiders. Welcome to Hagley Park Road, Jamaica before 7 a.m. I'm not sure the name of that plaza that we just left from. I don't think it has a name, to be honest. So there are so many auto parts shops here on Hagley Park Road. Right now we're passing by O'Neill's Place on our left. O'Neill's Place is a bar and lounge, and back in the day, pre the pandemic, they would host different events and parties over there. Passing now by the Honda sales office, sales and service. On our left just now, coming up to the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. The current Minister of Local Government is Honorable Desmond Mackenzie. Love FM, Love 101, radio station on our left. They play gospel music. It's a gospel radio station here in Jamaica, Love 101. Passing by the domes. Let me just have a quick look. Another plaza here on Hagley Park Road. So here at the Domes you can find, there is of course a flowers shop and different other kinds of businesses. Of course, this video is not sponsored by any of these companies, so I have no incentive to promote them. This video is just to give you a small look, a brief look at Hagley Park Road. Not necessarily to promote a business or to tell you what business is on Hagley Park Road. Alright, so please do bear that in mind. This is 17A going to Greater Portmore, leaving from Halfway Tree. We just went across Waltham Park Road. This is Waltham Park Road Jamaica before 7 a.m. Now it's 6:39 a.m. So we have two choices. We can continue straight, which will take us to Portmore. That will lead us to Portmore. Or we can take this one, this current road that I'm on, which if we were to continue straight will also take us to Portmore. We have more options, however, which I will share with you soon. If we were to take this left, we would go back onto Spanish Town Road, which leads to downtown. that right also take us on to Spanish Town Road, lead us to, of course, Mandela Highway. This left turn take us on to Olympic Way. But we've come to the end of this video. I want to thank you so much for sticking and staying until the end. Hope you've enjoyed it. Jamaican Insider out.